Hi children, how are you all? I hope all are fine. Today we are going to learn the universe. This is the first lesson, the universe. What is the lesson name? The universe. What is the universe? The universe is defined as the totality of everything that exists, such as the moon, the sun, the stars, the planets, and the galaxies. These are called the universe. The sun, the moon, and all the stars in the sky are called heavenly bodies. What is the universe? How many points is there? So, we are seeing the universe. First point is origin of the universe. So many scientists hold the view that the universe was formed by the Big Bang. What is the universe? Who said that? Scientists hold the view that the universe was formed by the Big Bang. It is believed that billions of years ago. How many years? Billions of years ago. We don't know how many years also. We can't count also. So many billions of years ago. There was a big explosion or a bang and the herds of fireball was created. This incident is known as the Big Bang. Thus the universe was created. The Big Bang created everything in the universe. How many is there? What is the universe? Already I said. Sun, moon, stars, planets and galaxies. Same like that, explosion is the universe. Next point is the Milky Way. Milky Way means? Milk means the Milky Way galaxy is the home of our planet Earth and the solar system. It contains approximately 200 billion stars. How many? How many stars? 200 billion stars, most of which are not visible from the Earth. Everything we see in the sky is a part of the Milky Way galaxy. The Earth is the only planet in the solar system. What is the Earth? The Earth is the only planet of the solar system on which life exists. The Earth, the Sun and rest of the solar system is a tiny part of the Milky Way galaxy. It is also known as Akash Ganga. What is the Milky Way? Another name? Akash Ganga. Next point, the solar system. What is that? Solar system. The Sun, the 8 planets. The Sun, the 8 planets we are called the solar system. What is there in solar system? Let you see. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. These are called 8 planets. How many planets is there solar system? 8 planets. What are they? Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Nearly 180 satellites and other heavenly bodies together from the solar system. How many satellites are there? 180. Satellites are other heavenly bodies together from the solar system. It includes asteroids, comets and meteors. The solar system is also called the solar family. Solar system also called solar family. Our solar system consists of stars known as the Sun. The Sun is the only source of heat and light in the solar system. The Sun is the only source of heat and light in the solar system. Planets have no light of their own. Planets have no light, only we have to give into light in only. They merely reflect the light of the Sun. Who's given to light our Earth? Only the Sun, remaining light of their own. The Sun is at the center of the solar system. Sun. What is the Sun? Where is there? The Sun is at the center of the solar system. It is the biggest member of the solar family. Who is biggest member of the solar family? The Sun. The biggest planet of the solar system is Jupiter. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun. The biggest planet of the solar system, what? Jupiter. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun. Neptune is the 8th and the furthest planet from the Sun in the solar system. Neptune is the 8th and the farthest planet from the Sun in the solar system. Next one, the Earth. The Earth is the 3rd planet. What is the number of the Earth? 3rd planet in the solar system. And the 5th largest of the 8 planets. Mars is the 4th nearest planet to the Sun and is also called the red planet. What is the red planet? Mars is the red planet in the solar system. It consists of clay rich in iron, carbon dioxide, argon, nitrogen, etc. Red planet in which consists of clay rich in iron, carbon dioxide, argon, nitrogen, etc. Which gives Mars its red color. Which gives Mars its red color. It also has low gravity. It also has low gravity. The temperature of Mars is below freezing point, minus 63 degrees centigrade. How much temperature of Mars? Minus 63 degrees centigrade. Its atmosphere is less denser than that of the Earth. Venus is called morning and evening star. What is it called? Venus? Morning and evening star, as it appears bright to us from Earth. Saturn is a ringed planet. What is a ringed planet? Saturn is a ringed planet. The rings consist of ice pieces of varying sizes and dust particles, while the white spots and powerful storms. White spots are powerful storms. Uranus appears blue-green in color due to the coal methane gas. Uranus appears blue-green in color due to the coal methane gas. Many planets in the solar system have small, heavy bodies are called satellites. Many planets in the solar system, so many have in solar systems in planets that called satellites that revolve around them. The word satellite means smaller companions to various planets of the solar system. These satellites revolve around their respective planets. The satellites also follow them to their revolution around the Sun. The satellites also follow them in their revolution around the Sun. Satellites can be natural or man-made. Satellites can be natural or man-made. The Moon is a natural satellite of the Earth. Like planets, satellites also rotate on their axis. Some important point also is there. See, my dear children, planetary movements. How to rotate planets in the satellite solar system. All planets have two kinds of movements, rotation and revolution. What is that? All planets have two kinds of movements. First one is rotation, second one is revolution. So, the spinning of the planet on its imaginary axis is known as rotation. What is the meaning of rotation? Once again, see, my dear children, the spinning of the planet on its imaginary axis is known as rotation. This is the meaning of rotation. Next one is revolution. What is the revolution meaning? The movement of the planet around the sun along its elliptical and fixed orbit is known as revolution. Once again read in this. See my dear children, the movement of the planet around the sun along its elliptical and fixed orbit is known as revolution. This is the universe.